guys, this is kind of impromptu, but some dudes just rolled up to my house. They're like, hey, bud, you got a trailer? I'm like, yeah. Well, obviously, the gooseneck's in the front yard. They're like, can we borrow it? I'm like, maybe. What do you got to do? Apparently, they need to move something a couple blocks away. I said, well, Uncle Moose has been drinking, but I'll tag along. They can use my trailer, and I can film them. And what's the worst gonna happen? Let me get dressed up, and then we'll get out there and move the truck and get everything ready.
Put it drive and just turn the crank all the wheels.
Just do the thing. Just spec the trailer right on the ball. It's no problem. Just got to do it. You know, it's a learning process. We've all done it 30, 40 times. It's a feel for it.
Put it in drive.
Oh, more. Give me 3 more inches. Straight forward.
Straight forward.
Oh, no more. Half inch. Just kick it a little bit. Nope, that's good. Put in park. Oh, Joe Ford. Oh, just like the good old days. Cummins. Oh, we got traffic. Here we go. Look, he's going for it too. Fucking assholes.
Give her the beans. Blow that bitch up.
This is the power stroke. We ain't moving too much.
Exactly. That's what I said. Blow that bitch up.
I'm jumping it with him. Permission to come aboard, bud.
Yeah.
Oh,
Sorry, my truck's a little dirty.
you're good.
There's nothing else to do. You can't go outside or...
Yeah, man, I'm telling you, it's killing me.
I should go off one.
Over and sin. Yeah, whatever you want to do. That right there, boys, the truck I was gonna buy before I got the 011. It's a 24 valve 06. 100, no, it was 168,000. I remember it. I drove it. It's a good fucking truck. Looked nice. Good cab long bed, right up my alley. Couldn't do it. There you go. Sneak her in. You got it. Kick it harder. Kick it harder. You got it.
You always have a trailer hooked up to this truck because it travels a little dirty.
Yeah. Well, it's a new trailer. You don't know how it spins. I got the rear axle is way far back. I'm getting the hydraulic keep there on the fucking thing. So it's kind of fucked with geometry on the rear trailer.
So fucking close.
I'd say that good, man. We still got to pull up. We're out of the way. I call it cherry.
That's good.
I'm Phil, man. Whoever's, you got to guide him Get on the trailer, maybe. Tell him where to go. We got a guide. You might need to adjust the ramps. Let me know. I'll do it. Huh? Closer alongside everything, that way it's less of an angle. You can. There you go. Straighten out. Let's go straight from there. We'll see if that's better. If not, we'll have to use the come along. And since we're sans winch, house rules, own the truck, we work the crank. Cranking her up. We've all done it. That's why we gotta get a winch, but not today. Oh. We did a thing, guys. We got our chain down. We're gonna take it nice and easy. We got a chain. Like, I know I'm a rookie, but these guys are rookies. Holy shit. Alright, Captain. Brake controller good?
I don't got one.
God, alright.
That's one thing I do not have. I need to get one.
Alright.
Go slow and steady.
Very slow. There you go. Perfect. Yeah, it's teaser in. You don't got trailer brakes. It's sketchy. You got tow haul on. It's good. Basically, what I'm saying is this fucking truck will pull anything you want. It's stopping is the problem.
Yeah. I should go have like a little brake remote put in down
Yep. $60 a Roll King, man. I'm telling you.
My buddy, he bought my uncle's 05. That
Yeah.
comes with that one where you just...
Yeah, that's my new truck. It's got one built right in.
Yeah.
Like, well, I'll be damned.
Yeah. He's 16. My uncle gave him a deal, $6,000 for 05.
Yeah.
Rust free.
Nice. Very good. So you want to give these guys plenty of room. Obviously. You know, I don't want to preach to you.
Yeah. It's just nice having the advice.
So you're clear? All right, boys, we got our whistle back where we need her. All we gotta do is unload it, and that should be it. But we'll check in later. But all we gotta do is take the ramps out and get them out of the road because we're blocking traffic. So I'll see you when I do. You guys can tell we're loading on a hill is facing this way, and we need to bring it down. So we're trying to get it past the tipping point before it'll roll off. He's on brakes. We got guy on shove duty.
That's good.
Good?
The other side?
Probably use a little bit extra.
Okay, well, hold on. Put the brake in. Hold it?
Yeah, got it.
Okay.
Okay. Look at that. We got it unloaded. My God, that took longer than it should have, but it was on a hill like you saw. Wasn't too big of a deal. We just had to give it a little bit of a jerk, and she's free. So whatever the hell this truck is, these people literally rolled up on my front doorstep and asked if they could use a trailer. I said, sure, why not? It's called being a Midwesterner. You help them out, they help you out. It's just how we go. So we got this thing loaded, or unloaded rather, loaded and unloaded. Gooseneck did fine. The old, this guy's F-350 did fine. The only squabble I have is I need to get a winch, dude. That sucked. Winches got to be next up for trailer upgrades. So that's the video. We just got to drop trailer off. I'm gonna go to bed. I gotta go to work in 3 hours. But until then, guys, keep it safe, keep it smart, and I love you. Until next time, I'm Midwest Moose, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.